there, my name is Chris Palmer from the Chris Palmer SEO YouTube channel. Recently, I have decided to go ahead and offer my agency services at white label pricing. You can find these at www.chrispalmerseo.com. The type of service that we offer is just like the services you will find at Bright Local, services like citations. But instead of $2 per citation, we only charge 20 cents. Also, we are providing services like Google My Business optimization services, but instead of paying $497 a month, you will expect to pay half of that. Moving into Fat Joe's local citation services, they are offering 100 citations, whether it be international or local, so USA based, at $1.35 a piece. Again, we offer this service at 20 cents per citation placed. The exact same citations for 20 cents a piece. Now, if you take a look at the press release distribution service from the same company, Fat Joe, again, we offer this exact list. They're offering it for $128. We can beat this by half. Now, if we take a look at a very large company, this is the Hoth. This is their foundational backlinks being 32 authority site links plus 3 guest posts for $200. We can beat this by half the price. So again, my name is Chris Palmer with Chris Palmer SEO. Here's a brief glimpse of some of the services that I provide. These are white label pricing. Again, it's www.chrispalmerseo.com. All right, let's run it.